Hi guys, now already 4:40. It's heavy traffic now from Angeles to Mabalacat.
Yes, we use some motor right now to take a look some cross or the Pobasa in Angeles City, and also we're going to take a look the perimeter road right now, and also how much the mango in Angeles City.
I don't understand. What? Shaira, no, that's just stand. What he want?
He's selling some.
Sailing. I think he want to say hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Okay.
And
it's
this
okay.
time also traffic.
Yes, heavy traffic right now. Okay, Shaira, hold camera.
It's already 4 o'clock, right?
It's 4:40 already.
So it's
4:40.
heavy traffic right now here in near Astro Park. In the, what is this, Rotonda they called here. It's from Angeles to Mabalacat. It's so traffic, and if you go to Mabalacat it's more traffic because all right now they go to cross from Angeles to Mabalacat. I seen maybe 20 person who take some cross, and from Balaba, it's near our place, so I can say it's 30 person. They
30
use
cross.
cross.
30 cross.
Big cross also. I used also that one before, or I take, but it's so heavy. And you walk for 5 kilometers. It's not easy, but for Philippines it's a sacrifice. So even it's hot, they not use slippers, Leon.
Not use slippers?
Yes. So you need to use you cannot use slippers until you not
But
finish.
I seen they use slippers. I seen slippers.
Sometimes only if it's already hot,
sometimes.
but you need to remove it already. Yes. Also tomorrow my cousin will going to take some cross. Maybe I will go with them, and I will walk for 5 kilometers or maybe more. We'll go and so we need to wake up for 12, maybe it's 3 o'clock, and we start
From my time.
3 a.m. or 4 a.m. like this. Need to start. They will need to start, and they need to pray first, and they need to prepare the things they need.
But don't have traffic here. Always traffic this time in walking
And also
street.
not so many in walking
Use on
street.
camera to show, not on the road.
Yes, it's walking street.
And not so many tourists right now. Really.
Yes, that's
Time is 4:30 and don't have tourists.
because it's they take a look from a Balakat road.
Shaira, tourists not interesting. It's only for local people.
Oh, I love that color of hair.
This girl.
Yes, I love the color of the hair. What do you think if I use like that, or I have color like that? You like?
No.
Really?
And few girls now. This time so many girls are sometimes going to walking street, but few.
Of course, it's few right now. Even Soya, not so many girls. Not so many right now. Final countdown.
Margarita station still open now, but we said we will close March. Already April, but open.
Yes, it's so many inside people.
Mango, we can check mango how much. Ask how much mango.
Magkano kaya mangga, Koy? 150.
Okay, thank you. 150.
Near Walking Street. So many fruits also. So from Walking Street.
Dollar 53.50. 53.50.
Yes, 53.50 the dollar. And then the other one it's 40 euro. This is red hotel. And right now we're near in Perimeter Road.
This is Perimeter Road, yes, and we can show now where bars again.
What?
Perimeter Road bars.
Park?
Bar
Ah,
in
park.
Perimeter Road.
Okay. Sorry if I cannot hear you.
Left side you can see bars. This is candy bar. Bar open now. Also this bar is also open. I don't know what he wants.
And also so many lots here, like place that you need there for sale.
Also this bar.
Not so many foreigners I see, because it's maybe they go to like beach like this because it's summer already and more hot right now in Philippines. Heavy traffic. If you're tricycle, better he need to stay in one line only because he cannot. Vanidor. the R&B here. It's popular also for being in restaurants and I hate this motor. So noisy. They always put some chicken pipe.
This is R&B.
This is R&B. I've
This
been
is
here
popular
and
club.
yes, it's popular. If you want to go to some bar, it's better there.